Hello, my name is Jamie Mercer, and today I'm going to be trying out the Microsoft Narrator screen reader. So in order to get this started, it is automatically built into the Windows operating system. So you can use a keyboard shortcut of the Windows key, Control, and Enter. And
Dialog. OK. Button. Alt plus O. Heads up. Narrator keyboard changes.
Okay, so that automatically popped up with the window. I hit the control key, which is a command within narrator that will get the narrator to stop reading because I wanted to be able to keep continuing without having to listen to it read everything on within the window. So the next thing that I want to do is try to go to the browser and look at a couple of different web pages. So to do that, I'm going to hit the Alt and Tab key.
Running task. Running 304. Studio. Google screen narrate 30 Studio. Google Chrome pane.
Okay, so I'm opening up the Google Chrome pane, and if I want to go from one tab to the next, I can use a basic just a basic keyboard shortcut in Windows, which is not part of Narrator, and that is going to be the Control tab, and that will get me from one tab within Chrome to another. So Control tab.
Studio, Google Chrome, Jamie Payne, main, link, institution page, institution.
Okay, and again, I'm hitting the Control button just because I don't need it to read everything to me right at this moment. I'm going to try to tab down and open up our courses page.
Link.
Okay. I'm going to try to go to the next heading, and that's with the H key as a shortcut.
Link. Technological applications for diverse populations. Original course view. Technological applications for diverse populations. Heading level 4.
Okay, and that's the one I want, so I'm going to hit the Enter key to select. And then I want to try to go to the module that we're currently on. So I'm going to tab through.
Menu item. View site.
Okay, so I found weekly modules. I want to hit Enter. So I hit the D button to get to different landmarks within the page, and you could see that in here that it was going through the different major parts on the page. I want to use the heading shortcut, which is H again, to try to find the module 7 that we're currently in.
Content, heading level 2. Link, module.
Okay, so that doesn't.
Module 7. Link, group, alternative format.
And then I will use the heading key again because you can tell that there are headings here.
Heading level 1, 2 of 13 level 1, 3 of 13 level 1. Link, screen readers. 5 of 13 level 1, heading level 1. Screen reader users experience of NVDA. 6 of 13. Link, W3 schools, HTML accessibility. Heading level 3, JAWS screen reader demo. YouTube has finished loading. 8 of 13 level 1. 9 of 13 level 1. 10 of 13 level. 11 of 13 level 1. Heading level 1. Space. Heading level 3.
Okay, and you can see that I can easily get through this page through the different headings on the modules to where I want to go. I am also going to try to open up a file. So I'm going to use the Windows key as the start menu. And then I want to go to the File Explorer so that I can open up a document that I have saved. So we're going to try to tab through to find File Explorer.
Videos of screen reader users. Search window. Search box. Start window. Microsoft Store. 7 of 20.
Okay, so tab didn't work, so I'm using the downward arrows.
Calculate, clock, notepad, paint, File Explorer, 18, paint.
Okay, so I use the tab to get to the quick access, and then I'm using the downward arrows until we find the folder for our class.
Pictures, Google Drive, EDC, EDET 730.
And then I hit enter to open.
No next landmark.
Okay, so I'm going to try to get to
16 by 5, Adobe Premiere
the items within this folder, I hit the tab key, it brought me over to the different files and folders within our class folder, and then I'm just going to arrow down. So this is the document that I want. As you could tell, I had to hit the downward arrow many times in order to get to it because it goes to each one of the next columns next to the file.
Check the accessibility of a website _Mercer. 7 of 16. Selected. Up.
Okay, and I'm sure that there is a quicker way to do that.
Check the accessibility.
Scan mode, which is caps lock and the space bar, and then we'll see if we can get it to go from each of the headings or paragraphs.
Introduction. Heading 1.
All right, so I hit the H to go to the next heading. If I hit H again, it does drop down to the next heading because I have that set as a heading. I can also go to the next paragraph using the P key.
I ran 4 accessibility tests on the Missouri Rush Soccer Club website.
Here is Narrator with a browser screen and in a document. Thanks for watching.